Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as a freebie down below, so you can grab it if you're interested. Also, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are showing love on each other's YouTube channels, and I will link those ladies so you can check them out. All right, what are we doing today? We are going to hit our 2025 goals. We're just going to go for it. I wrote out some ideas for goals, and I'm going to try and narrow it down. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12 goals, and I think we can manage to at least write them out. I did not hit all my goals for 2024, and I didn't even, maybe, I was going to say maybe we should go over those, but I think we'll just keep moving forward. There were some goals I did hit, and then there were some goals that were just like so far out of reach that in life happened in 2024 where it was just like, it's not in the cards for you. All right, so first things first. One of the things I want to do in 2025 is open a high yield savings account. I keep hearing how important that is, and I want to do that because I have big savings goals, and one of those goals is to save for a vacation to Florida. And this one is specifically for my children. They have some friends in Florida. They miss them. They've been wanting to go. And so I have every intention of getting them there. We were not able to go in 2024. So this goal we're rolling over. We need to have a car maintenance fund. Can't spell if I'm talking. But car maintenance, really need that happening, as well as an emergency fund. I have amounts set next to me, but the specific amount is not as important as the goal itself. So putting something is important. I want to make sure I have some money for my Christmas PTO this year, taking 3 weeks off from work to be home with my children. I want to do that again next year, hopefully. We're going to rethink it and revisit it later date, because there may be a chance that instead of me just staying home, maybe we go on a little vacation or something like that. And then for my boy's birthday, both of my boys, their birthdays are in June, and so I want to do something fun for that. As a matter of fact, I was thinking these two, vacation to Florida for my boy's birthday, that would be genius, because then it's 2 birds, 1 stone. And then also I need a safety net. Mostly just having a safety net. If anything happens and I need to, if I have to miss work or something like that, I'll be able to pull from those funds. I would ideally like to have money put aside to cover, a whole week. So we'll see how that goes. And then, of course, move on from a week to a month to 3 months, 6 months, a year, whatever. Then we have, so my boys' Christmas gifts. My kids are getting older. They don't want the little toys. They like the electronics and games and things like that. So this year I had to work on getting them MetaQuests. And I'm grateful that I was able to find a discount code for my job to save a little bit of money on those. But anybody buying electronics, you know how expensive it can be. And at first I was going to say no, it's just out of the question. But I said, let me see if I can do it. Let me see if it's something that I can manage to do. And here we are. I was actually hoping for some help from their dad with those. But at this point, as it stands, no, it's just me. Maybe he'll give me money later. I don't know. But next year, I kind of want to have a head start instead of pushing the last few months trying to get it together. So anyway, let's go on to, I need money for snow days. Not only do I need money for snow days, I need to save my time. So I do work part-time, so I get very little PTO, and then we have an allotted amount of unpaid time that our job gives to us, and I need to stack that. So if there's a snow day and I just don't want to go or something like that, I'll have the funds to cover the day, but also have the time to actually take the day. So that's another one of my goals. And then we need some home decor. So I was going to move, and I still might, but at this point I was thinking, focus on the home decor. Fix your home. Make your apartment homey. Before I came to this apartment, my apartment was so cozy and welcoming, and it was just so comfy. And now this place, I haven't quite figured it out because it's just been so chaotic, you guys. Let me just say that. And so I'm grateful to have a roof over my head and have a place for my children, a safe place for my children where they can come and, you know, just enjoy their peace in our home. But it's not cozy like it was before. It's not fluffy and homey and just like a place where, at least I don't feel that way, where it's like, oh yeah, this is where I want to be. I mean, it's a home, you know, it's a place to live, but I do want to work on some small things to upgrade it, uplift it, and get it to a place where it feels like a nice little homey space. All right. Oh, my birthday. My birthday is in August, so I have plenty of time. My B-day, I want to go to the casino. I haven't been to the casino in, gosh, since I think my birthday last year. My birthday in 2023. Maybe I've gone since then. I don't remember. I haven't gone to the casino in a long time because I just don't have the funds to do it right now. You know, I really enjoy going to the casino, but it's just not something that I can always do. However, for my birthday this year, I do want to save some money, and I do want to go. And I may go before then. So if I do, that's great. But there was something else. What am I missing? Oh, mommy Christmas gift. I did the boys, but I wanted to make sure that in 2025, I give myself a nice Christmas gift. And I don't know what that's going to be yet. I have all year to figure that out. I was thinking, Silynthia, what are you even into? What are you thinking? What do you want? And I was thinking the Christmas gift could be my budget planners and budget binders for 2026 setup. Like something where it's like revamping and whatever. But that was just a thought, so I don't know. But those are my goals for 2025. Like I said, I do have amounts listed here, but the amount is not as important as actually getting it going, because I can start small and keep adding amounts to those. And the prayer is that tax time I'm able to get some of these started and go from there. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for coming back again and see what's going on over here. I do appreciate you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.